cause I won't ever quit, bitch, I'm Kobe. And I whip that white, you can snow me. Snow that young thug, I whip that bitch that you know me, young thug.
Alright guys, so today I'm playing kwadjo.
You sound so depressed, like liven up, man.
Oh, suck your mom. Just accept it, but you fucking prick.
Oh jeez.
You're fucking mood to play around.
Alright, but when you lose though, it will be peak.
Oh yeah, on my own channel.
Oh man, I need to do so real quick. I need to.
Fuck's sake, kwadjo!
My contract's expired, just remember.
I don't be on this anyway.
I don't play FIFA anymore, man. Keeper's dead to me.
I'm the title holder 5 times. 5 times, wait.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's stupid.
It might be. Hurry up. Cheers. Lex Comet XZ has invited you to a game.
Oh my god, just accept it. Just accept. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Damn it, you turned down. What happened to your what's up with your internet?
No, I had to leave that game, mate. I didn't want to use that team.
Fucking hell. Hurry up.
I wanted to use my stinker squad.
Stinker squad, what's that?
The stinker squad. The German ones.
Oh. I'm gonna make a BBVA team in a bit. I've got enough dosh for that right now. Stinkers.
So I've got like 2k.
I got 18.
Got like 2.
Alright, let's see what your team looks like.
Oh god, your team's just a shitter version of mine.
No, it's almost the same. It says you've got. That's sad.
Hey man, always try to front from the ground a little bit.
Always.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
You know, just go to YouTube app and fuck you up a little bit. Oh shit. I haven't played FIFA in a while, man. Just saying. Oh, that's a foul.
Oh, is this your boy?
Oh my.
Is this your boy?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh, understand what they want me to do. Must want me to rap about guns and the coupe, man. I got the juice, man. I got the sauce. Still trying to do what I've done before. Babes, what you still trying to cuff me for, man? You can't cuff me. I'm above the law. Yeah, we don't want to hear
this is me though.
What? How did I not get that?
This is me though. Banger! What? Say nothing. Say nothing.
It kept bouncing all over the place. It's like oh, it's lagging.
Oh, no lag for me, mate. This is just you motherfucker.
Typified the competitive nature of this game, that tackle. It's only a throw-in. Javi Alonso.
Ooh, play it.
Okay.
Play it. What?
Thiago.
Good.
They've lost the ball.
Oh, is this me? Oh,
It's all me. Oh, mate. Oh, fuck. Oh, man.
Oh, shit. Fuck off. How's that didn't touch you?
It's not a foul, mate.
It didn't even touch you, though.
Oh, God, if I put this away.
And he's made the save.
What's a save?
Pretty comfortable one.
Oh, shit.
Real good
Go on, Thiago.
between these two as they jump
Play
on
it.
the possession.
Motherfucking weed.
Thiago. It's a quick break. Thiago!
Oh my god.
Yeah, okay.
An equaliser from Thiago and the keeper. Lloyd in thin air there. He had no chance.
Oh, look at that paint. Ooh! Ooh!
Oh, I'm exuded.
Oh, no. I'm still playing this night.
Chase.
Can't do anything.
Chase.
Still a chance in
Good
there of the
save. I
goalkeeper.
didn't know you got scored.
But it's out.
Really trying to play about with that one. Oh, good.
Luis
Save.
Gustavo.
be in. Here's the shot.
No.
And he's done it.
DP.
Yo.
Oh, it's... That was... Ooh! Don't do that.
Mario Götze.
Oh my god. What the hell was that?
And the crowd
That's
really
cheap.
enjoying it. Thiago.
Get that. Get that. Oh my god. No. Oh!
Here's a chance.
Oh my god.
Did you see Katie Price's son when she was asking? He's called Harvey. She was like, Harvey, what do you say when mean people are mean to you? What? What just happened?
Wait, what?
What?
No.
No. Oh, that's...
He's off.
Double blow for the team now.
Oh my
The work
god.
put out to get anything
Wait,
out
what
of this match
does he say though? What did he say?
He was like, hello, you cunt. It was on like a live TV show.
I can't shoot.
You know, like,
Saved by the goalkeeper.
oh, he got mad! Coming for to carry me. Oh, shit. Oh, you really messed me.
Swing! Oh.
Shots on him.
Oh,
Oh god! Swing low!
shut up.
Oh my god, look at
Very
this
good control.
bullshit.
They've lost the ball.
No, it's not. It's not. Oh, it's just jigged. I was gonna say it's not lagging anymore.
Oh, this is some next gen bullshit, mate.
Good one.
Royce.
Oh, what? Through the legs?
Royce. Very weak challenge.
Keeper. What? No. You honestly...
Good teammate.
I gotta ask. You mad, bro? I said, tell me what you mad for.
He takes the win home.
80 seconds.
It's going to go right to the wire here. With
Oh,
Where's the throw-in?
game.
What? Nah.
Marco
Game.
Nah.
Reus.
I just want to know.
Great game here.
Oh,
Really
GG,
solid.
Kwadjo, man.
Nah, that was actually lucky.
It's over.
Oh,
Has
man.
finished
Nah.
at 3-2.
Thank you for being on the
As you'd
video.
expect, Alan,
And
the
peace!
title holders, they're coming into the first game of the season.
Now she watching me.
E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O. She don't want no more. She don't want no more. Hit her with that though. Get all these damn.